Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's video is gonna be a tutorial about Google Sheet formula. And the formula that I would like to show to you today is an average formula. So average formula is the used for counting the average for each value on the Google Sheet application. So here I already have the data. I already have a product sales report on December 2024. I own a coffee shop here, and here is the outlet. I have 3 outlets, and this is the data of the sales in December 2024. And I will like to count the average for the espresso on these 3 outlets. So how many cups that I actually sells in average. So the thing that we have to do is just go click the cells as the destination of the result, and after that you just need to go click this pencils button, and you just need to type an equal and just start typing average, and they will be shown here. You just need to go click it, and there will be a suggestions or the instructions that you need to follow. And whenever you're done, you just need to go highlight the cells that you want to count to average to, this 3, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button. And here we go. So the average for the espresso on these 3 outlets is 148, and you can just do the rest or autofill by highlight the cells. Oh my bad. Highlight the cells, and after that you just need to go click the cells and do autofills. So that's the way how to use average function on Google Sheet application. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.